here is Kenyatta National Hospital, privately. The spouse, the father of the children, family, and friends to the bio. We want to tell the members of public that today, at 1:03 p.m., we have lost the bio. It is no longer a rumor, it is the truth. Betty was unwell since last week, and she was diagnosed with acute mild cancer, that is leukemia. But she was suffering from excess bleeding. The doctors tried to do their best. First, she was taken to AAR in Tamburo. She was later transferred here on Friday. The doctors have tried their best, but the will of God has prevailed. We are planning to move her body from Kenyatta National Hospital to KU referral and all the other communications and grief will carry it. The life of our dear friend rest in peace and fare thee well to divine. We loved you, but God loved you more. You have been a hero. You have inspired many. You sang to us in the 11th hour. We all slept believing that it is 11th hour that God would reinstate your health. But God has done according to his will, and we respect the will of God. Fear thee well, our dear friend, and we love you so much.
Okay, second.
Makanya also siku haha ni haraka abeti mashabiki ake familia yake hamwe na togonya afuri ya mwana na huko mwikwa mtogonya witu betu sawa oga nema nitu baile ya umuthi kulingana na mwenye ucio arabarite leukemia uria makutengeria wiki ngima o gukigererio njira ciothe na madagitari maheni kiruma ona ting'ano cia andu kwĩigĩrĩra nĩ tũrĩkĩtie Elizabeth na tũkũnganĩte arĩa mwathanire rogocwo mashabiki make mũmĩrĩru bamĩrĩ mũmĩrĩru aini mũmĩrĩru arata mũmĩrĩru tũgũkũ Kenyatta thaa ici na tũrenda tũcemanie kũrĩa KU referral kũrĩa tũiga mwĩrĩ wake mĩbango ĩngĩ o yothe tũkũmũmenyithia thĩ moi mũrata witũ Betty ndiũkorwo ũkwende
We start now.